Picture this, a journey of profound introspection, where history whispers its tales. This isn't just about crossing off a bucket list item, it's about understanding humanity. Welcome to the Kigali Memorial Centre, located in the heart of Rwanda. Immerse yourself in a narrative that echoes the resilience of a nation. Explore exhibits that paint a picture of the devastating genocide of 1994, where over 1 million lives were lost in just 100 days. The Kigali Memorial Centre isn't just a museum, it's a beacon of hope, a testament to the strength of the human spirit. It stands as a solemn reminder of the past, but also as a beacon of hope for a future of peace and unity. Experience the raw emotion, the poignant stories, the resilience personified. Add the Kigali Memorial Centre to your bucket list. A journey awaits that promises to touch your soul and expand your understanding of the world. Remember, history is not just about the past, it's about shaping the future. Make your visit count.